Megan and I just drove up from Santa Barbara and Ventura. Now we're here to go horseback riding. Are you ready to horseback ride?
Yeah, Adam keeps making fun of my outfit and I don't know what to wear.
Santa Barbara Horseback Rides, California. Today we signed up to go horseback riding on the beach. This was a 90-minute tour along one of California's most desirable beaches. There was one other couple riding with us today. She got slick last time she was on a slim, so something's going on. Yeah. 2 weeks earlier, Christina Aguilera and Jordan Bratman were out on the same ride we had learned. Upon hitting the sands of the beach, we were greeted with 72-degree temperature, sunshine, and waves. The ride started in Bell Canyon next to the Ritz-Carlton Bacara Santa Barbara Resort and worked its way towards Potter's Point. It was extremely relaxing to be on the beach horseback riding in the sunshine. The lull of the waves beside us kept the horses calm and put us all at ease. Looking out at the ocean towards the Channel Islands was quite the sight. The ride was very smooth, and the horses were all very relaxed. Sometimes they would act like humans and walk away from the water as the waves came across the sand. As we rode, our guides were kind enough to film us as we made our way along the coastline. They made sure everyone had a great personal experience today. I was very grateful, as I am the one always doing the filming. Making our way along through the waves and sand, we felt as though we were inside of a movie scene. The day could get no better. Oh, what do you do, Megan? You go around. For the ride, I would suggest wearing layers, so you can take off clothes if you get too hot. Also, if it is sunny, you will want to wear sunscreen so you do not get burnt. There are saddle pouches for your personal effects for easy access to your phone or water that you may bring along. The horses are all very gentle and felt as if they liked the beach ride just as much as we did. The company also offers rides in other places, so make sure to check out their website below to see what all they provide. Eventually, we turned around and headed back at the halfway point. At the time we went on the ride, the tide seemed like it was coming in. At high tide, there is not much beach left I would imagine to ride on, so that may also dictate when the company can do horseback rides on the beach. Helmets are provided if you choose to wear one, and before the ride there is a waiver you will need to fill out. Other than making the decision to go horseback riding on the beach, it is a very simple tour to take. It is something I would highly encourage anyone new to horseback riding to try out and enjoy. And plus, if you book the ride, you may get lucky enough and see a celebrity or two around the area just escaping life. Good boy. Yeah, I did good.
You were great.
Yes. Good boy, Jake.